Wednesday, February 8th, 2023. It's 11 after 12. It's a pretty nice day. It's warm. It's about 67 here in Goleta. I think it's about the same down in Ventura. Along the coast down there between Ventura and Port Hueneme anyway. It's supposed to be a low 70s, mid 70s tomorrow, so that'll be interesting. But I'm at Campus Point parking lot number 6 at UCSB, 45 feet up. The usual. I'll zoom in down there at Mesa Lane. So that first point there is at 6.5 miles. The background down there is at Muscle Shoals at La Conchita, at least the east side of La Conchita. That's 23 miles. Tide's really high right now. It's, I'm guessing somewhere around 5 foot, 4 to 5 feet. Water temps, I don't know, it dropped in the mid-channel buoy a couple days ago, so I'm guessing 56, 57. Bulk water temp. Nice warm day. The surface is going to warm up quite a bit. Not too much breeze to turn it over. That's Platform Hogan at 17.8 miles and Ventura Point area at 32 miles in the background. A little bit more of the landscape's visible behind Hogan there. At least you can see the ridge lines in the background. There's Platform Houchin and Conejo Mountain up to the left in the background. There's Henry and Saddle Peak up to the right there. Saddle Peak's at 72 miles and about 2,800 feet elevation. And there's the never below the horizon ridge. Never below it ever. Generally it's from left to right there in the low spots. It's 1,000 feet at 50 miles. The low spot's right there in the center of the frame, about 900 feet, just below Saddle Peak on the left there. kind of hazy. Across the top of the Conejo, the peak on the right there I think is called Boney Peak. It's at 55 miles and around 3,000 feet elevation. Sorry about that, just trying to get a good center. So there's Hill House. Looking a bit squatty down there on the legs. Infamous Platform A. So Hill House is at 14.6. A is a little bit less than that. Platform B less still. And Platform C is at 13.1 miles. Can't tell if I can see the crossbars or not. La Jolla Peak up there to the right, and Clark's Peak kind of flattened out up there on top today. Clark's Peak is 56 miles, 1,900 feet elevation, something like that. Then there's Laguna Peak and Magoo Peak. Magoo Peak's 50 miles, 1,260 feet elevation. And based on a nominal globe radius of 3,959 miles, the hidden height would be 1,164 feet.
I've been spending a weird amount of time like thinking through it.
Pretty sure that's a wind line on the left side there, that darker patch. It's just the kind of day it is. There's a patch of wind up here and then kind of down the middle of the channel from me, but not so much down along the coast down there. You can see that dark line's a wind line, and then possibly glassy or past that. It's hard to see in the viewfinder here. Okay, that's a wrap for today. Hope for warmer weather and different viewing tomorrow. Take care, everybody.